I'm Stephanie Harris. So today's video is a bit special as I'll be asking a random to my beloved mother. So here's first question, ma'am. So how do you know that you are real?
How do I know that I am real? Being a mother of 5, kailangan ko kasi magpakatotoo sa ginagampanan ko na responsibilidad as a mother of 5. Kailangan ko i-pursue kung ano mga kinakailangan nila. Then, kailangan ko magpakatotoo na sa hirap ng buhay, kailangan ko din na kung anong mga trials, challenges, or mga whatever na magdarating sa buhay ko, dapat alam ko yun kung paano i-handle, cause whatever God's giving me a trials, I know I can carry it all. And that's me. It's a real me. Why I am exist.